In this video today, guys, I'm going to be picking on people who are interested in work from home jobs that takes no experience and can be worked from right from your home, and there are really good benefits to this company I'm going to show. If you're interested in having a work from home job, and this is not online marketing or affiliate marketing, this is an actual job with a good company, been quarantined, or you've lost your job because of the COVID-19 things that's going on in our world right now, then you definitely want to stick around and see this video that I'm going to show you here, because you can get started with this right now, today, after this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here to my videos and you have not yet subscribed, well, don't cheat yourself out any longer. Reach down there below your video right now and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell right beside it there so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel, as you can see, because I'm always coming out with all kinds of ways to help you guys make money online right from home, supplement your income, or give you a full-time income working right from home in many, many different types of affiliate marketing and so on and so forth. Okay, but this video today is going to be about work from home jobs for somebody that's not interested in online marketing or affiliate marketing. They just want to have a job and have an income for themselves. Well, let's go ahead and get started on this, because there's a lot of benefits to this that you're going to want to see. So what you want to do is come right over to this website right here. You see this right here, it's MCI. You can see it up here in the address bar. It's careers-mci.icims.com, which, by the way, you don't have to worry about this because this is quite a long link here, but I've shortened it up, and I have a link, a bit.ly link down there in the top of my description that will bring you straight over to this page right here. So when you click on that, it'll bring you right directly to this page that you see right here. And you can see right here what they're asking for is remote contact center representatives, full-time and part-time in the USA, which by the way, guys, unfortunately, this is only for the USA and Canada at this moment in time. That doesn't necessarily mean it won't be for the other parts of the world, or anything like that. Not saying it won't, but I'm not also saying when it will be either. But as of right now, it's for USA and Canada, which I'll show you here in a moment. Now, you can see some of the summary of it here. It's about the department right here. It's nationwide work-at-home positions, remote, okay? U.S. here and Canada, which I'll show you later. It says employment type is full or part-time. Schedule is flexible days, evenings, and some weekend shifts. And the career level is entry level. This is no experience needed. If you look down here, the wage description right here, guys, up to $15.15 per hour. You see that? And he has also, you got full benefits. That's health, dental, everything, all the benefits. And there are also monthly incentive bonuses that are offered with these jobs. Okay, the only education you need to do this is a high school diploma or GED. Minimum years of experience, guys, look right here, it's 0, no experience at all. And then reports, of course, to the supervisor. And we give a position that says we're hiring 1,000 work-at-home staff to support federal, state, and commercial clients right now. And it says right here that MCI is looking for nationwide remote customer service, help desk, technical support, and sales representatives to support the April demand coming up here in April. In these roles, you will handle inbound customer inquiries or troubleshoot basic technical issues and assist customers in adding or removing products and services. There are full-time and part-time positions available for almost any work schedule, day, night, 7 days a week, even if you want it. And it says in a lot of cases you can even make your own schedule out. Okay, these positions offer a competitive base pay from $10.10 an hour to $15.15 per hour, guys. And it's commensurate with your experience. So the more experience you have, the higher you could start out, probably in this bracket right here. And then role, schedule, level, plus benefits for full-time, paid vacation, and variable bonus and contest incentives. That's pretty cool. And it says all it takes for you to get started is for you to complete an easy online application and an informal interview with a talent acquisition specialist. And it says here, this is one of the cool benefits about this particular company. Right here it says if you don't have your own equipment, MCI will provide it to you for free. And it says all you need to have is a home broadband internet connection. That's all you need to have. And right here it shows a couple of videos about it that you can check out when you come here talking about the company. And it shows right here some of the position responsibilities. What does a work-at-home remote center representative do? This position supports customer service, technical support, and customer sales interactions. The role requires you to interact with hundreds of customers each week across the country to resolve support issues and sell new products and services and ensure best-in-class customer service. In addition to being the best in the business when it comes to customer interactions, you will need to be confident, fully engaged, a team player, and dedicated to bring a positive and enthusiastic outlook to work each day. So I'm sure that's pretty much probably everybody, right? Everybody's enthusiastic about what they do. It says our entry-level contact center representatives are responsible for the following tasks: listen to customers, understand their needs, and resolve customer issues. Utilize systems and technology to complete account management tasks, recognize sales opportunities, and apply sales skills to upgrade and explain and position the products and processes with customers, and appropriate escalate customer dissatisfaction to managerial team, and ensure first call resolution through problem solving and effective call handling. It says candidate qualifications. Do you wonder if you are a good fit for this company? It says right here, MCI provides all new employees with world-class training. So it doesn't matter whether you have any experience or not. I suppose if you have some of this experience and what they're asking for, well, that's all the better for you, right? But you're going to get full world-class training here anyway. So all positive, driven, and confident applicants are encouraged to apply. Ideal candidates for this position are highly motivated, energetic, and dedicated. And it says some of the qualifications: got to be 18 years of age or older, a high school diploma or GED, excellent organizational, written, and oral communication skills, the ability to type swiftly and accurate at only 20 words per minute. Guys, that's not very much. Anybody can do that, I think, 20 words per minute. And then basic knowledge of Microsoft Office suite, such as Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and the Outlook mail program. And basic understanding of the Windows operating system, highly reliable with the ability to maintain regular attendance and punctuality. The ability to evaluate, troubleshoot, and follow up on customer issues, aptitude for conflict resolution, problem solving, and negotiation, and must be customer service oriented. Ability to multitask, strong team orientation, and customer focus, the ability to thrive in a fast-paced environment where change and ambiguity are prevalent, excellent interpersonal skills, and the ability to build relationships with your team and the customers. And says here, the conditions of employment must be authorized to work in your country of residence, and you can see right here, it's the United States and Canada, as I was telling you earlier here. And some of these other things: must be willing to submit up to a level 2 background and security check, and be willing to submit to a drug test here as well. And then so on, job offers contingent on drug screening results. Compensation details is what an employer that values your contribution. We believe that hard work should pay off, so we make sure that our compensation and total rewards are competitive. Standard starting compensation is commensurate with your experience. Regular reviews and raises are awarded based on tenure and performance, so our employees make more each year. And then it has employees paid time off, as well as paid holidays and paid training opportunities, regular daily, weekly, and monthly incentives. Bonuses are part of the overall compensation our team members enjoy, and including monetary incentive and prizes such as computers, tablets, phones, TVs, trips, tickets, and even cars, guys. How about that? You can win a contest here in this company and win a car, a brand new car. In addition to our standard group benefits offering for full-time employees following 90 days of employment, all employees are eligible to opt for our MEC medical plan after only 30 days of employment. And benefits and options vary slightly by each location. So just a few of the benefits package here: medical, dental, and vision, paid time off, regular raises, work at home opportunity, advancement opportunity, fun, engaging work environment, casual dress, cash and prize contests. And then there's a little bit more down through here about it, guys. I'll let you go and let you come over here and check this all out. All you need to do to apply for these positions, which you can see they're asking for 1,000, says right here we're hiring 1,000 people. So you can come over right here today and click this button right here above my head that says apply now right here, and you can fill out their little application and get yourself an interview. And you can do this right now today after this video and get started right now. I recommend you do that if you're interested in looking for a work from home position with a pretty good company, and you've seen they've got a lot of benefits. And like you said, if you don't have the right equipment, they will provide it for you, and so on and so forth. And it does tell you a little bit down through here, farther down, that I'll let you guys read here. It says wired high-speed internet connection, personal desktop or computer. Now, it won't work with a Macintosh. You can't have a Mac. You got to have Windows. But if you don't have a Windows computer and all you have is Macintosh or Apple, well, like I said, they will supply you with the equipment that you need to be able to do this job. They're going to give that to you free of charge. And then it's all the stuff down here about it. So I'll let you guys go, and you guys can come over and check this out, and then click the apply button right here and get started on this today and get yourself an income up to $15.15 per hour to start with, depending on your experience, I suppose, on that. Yeah, reach down there below in the top of my description. You'll see the link for it. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that down there and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Also, if you like this video, reach down and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you are interested in affiliate marketing and want to have your own business online, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com down there in the top of my description, and come over and see what all is available for you, where you can start your own online business in affiliate marketing and have it up and running in as soon as 15 days from now. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.